Which ad blocking platform is better in 2026? Imagine browsing the web with zero pop-ups, no YouTube ads, no trackers following you across sites. Every device in your home, your phone, TV, even your smart fridge, completely silent and clean. That's the promise of ad blocking platforms like Technitium DNS Server, Pihole, and AdGuard Home. But which one actually delivers that promise in 2026? I spent time testing these three tools because every ad blocker claims to give you network-wide privacy and complete control over what enters your devices. The truth? Each one works, but in very different ways. And depending on your setup, one might be perfect, while another could be overkill. Let's start with the basics, what each claims to do. Pihole calls itself a black hole for ads. It runs on your network and filters every DNS request, blocking known ad and tracker domains before they even load. It's free, open source, and trusted by thousands of users. Simple, fast, and lightweight. AdGuard Home takes that idea and polishes it. It adds a modern interface, encrypted DNS, parental control, and per-device customization. It feels more user-friendly, something you can set up in minutes without being a tech expert. Then there's Technitium DNS Server. It's not just an ad blocker, it's a full DNS server with ad blocking built in. It supports advanced protocols like DNS-over-HTTPS, TLS, and QUIC. It's made for users who want full control, performance, and privacy, all in one package. On paper, all three sound amazing. But let's dig deeper. Pihole is still the most accessible. You can install it on a Raspberry Pi, your PC, or even run it inside Docker. Once it's up, it blocks thousands of ad domains right away. The interface might look dated, but it's reliable and efficient. The downside? It needs occasional maintenance and manual updates to block lists if you want maximum performance. AdGuard Home feels smoother. The dashboard is clean, you can see what's being blocked in real time, and setup takes less than 10 minutes. It's perfect for families or people who want privacy without tinkering too much. The only catch? It's slightly heavier on system resources, and some advanced filters are only available through the paid AdGuard ecosystem. Technitium DNS Server is the powerhouse. It's faster, supports more protocols, and gives you granular control. You can run your own recursive DNS, block ads, malware, and even log traffic. But it's also the most technical of the three. You'll need some networking knowledge to get it right. Once you do, though, it's rock solid. When testing them side by side, the difference became clear. Pihole was the easiest to install and worked perfectly for basic ad blocking. AdGuard Home gave me the best balance between power and simplicity. It just worked. And the interface made it easy to tweak things. Technitium felt like a professional-grade tool, super fast, secure, and future-proof, but only if you're comfortable managing a DNS server. So which one should you actually choose? If you want something quick, free, and reliable, Pihole is still a great choice. It's been battle-tested for years. If you want a polished experience, better parental controls, and encrypted DNS out of the box, AdGuard Home wins on usability. And if you're an advanced user who wants full control, performance tuning, and the latest tech protocols, Technitium DNS Server is the clear winner. At the end of the day, the best ad blocker isn't about which one blocks the most ads, it's about which one fits your lifestyle. Each of these tools gives you power over your privacy. The only difference is how much time and knowledge you're willing to invest. So, what's the verdict? In 2026, Pihole remains the people's favorite. AdGuard Home dominates for everyday users. And Technitium DNS Server leads for power users who want the ultimate setup. If this review helped you decide, consider sharing it with someone tired of pop-ups and trackers. Every click, like, and comment helps more people take back control of their digital space. Keep your network clean, your data private, and as always, stay sharp out there.